Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. All my excellencies, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a beat. Sammy here. Now in this lesson, we're going to consider the SUMIF function. So just like the name implies, the SUMIF function, just like sum function, but this time around it can accept an argument in the form of a condition. So having a look at this data set now, let's say we have our salespersons, and then we have each of them loading their different sales figures that they made some sales over a period of time. Okay, now we want to find out the total sales figures for each salesperson. Okay, so this is how we can go about it. So we have this data set here, and then we type out their names separately in column D, for example, like we have here. Then we can now go ahead. So let's see how we can actually sum up each salesperson's total sales figures using the SUMIF function. So to do that, just type in, come to column E here, okay, and then I type in my SUMIF, okay. Yeah, I have SUMIF here, okay. I can either click or just type in, put in my parentheses, okay. Now in the range argument, select all the names, make sure just the names, leave out salesperson there, okay. I select all the names in column A, okay. Now move on to the criteria. So the criteria now, that is the arguments, okay. That's the condition we want to meet. We want to find out the total sales figures for Mike, okay. So we leave out the Mike in the list, and then we'll come and click on Mike that we typed out here, okay, column D. So that's the condition we want to meet, okay. So that's that, comma, and then in the sum range, and now select all the sales figures, okay. Select all the sales figures and enter, okay. So that's how we can get that for Mike. And we can also do the same thing for everybody else. So let's just quickly carry it out and see. Okay, so equals to SUMIF okay, the range said select all the salespersons, okay, as you can see in column A, okay. Now the condition now want to find out for Laura, so my comma, move to the criteria argument, okay, click on Laura, cell B3, okay, comma, move on to the sum range. Now select all the sales figures. You can see in this in column B, and I press enter, okay. So do the same thing for manual, okay. So okay, I can put my parentheses that way, okay. Sum range, okay. So in the range argument, select all the names, yeah, okay, comma there. In the criteria, that's the condition. I want to find out for manual's total sales figures, okay. Click on manual in D4, then comma, okay, sum range. Now select all sales figures here and enter, okay. And as well, get it done, coming to start function, okay. I'll come to the formulas tab and look for my SUMIF function. So just insert function, okay, SUMIF, okay, go. So my SUMIF, so bring up the function segment box. Let's open it from here also so that we can see it in a different perspective, okay. So in the range, select all the names, column A, my salespersons. Okay, and I move to the criteria box. Yeah, I'll click on Cynthia here. Okay, then in the sum range, you can now select all the sales figures. Okay, select all the sales figures and click OK. Okay, same thing for Josh. So equals to SUMIF. Okay, range, select all salesperson's names including A, comma, to the criteria, Josh, that's the condition we want to find out. We want to find out his own total sales figures, yeah, then comma, in the sum range, okay, select all the sales figures, and okay. So this is how we can actually find out total sales figures for each salesperson, okay, using the SUMIF function. Okay, so like we said, it's just similar or akin to the SUM function, but this time around you can carry out an argument in form of a condition. That's the SUMIF function in a nutshell. Don't forget to engage with me in the comment section. Click like, share, subscribe, and also don't forget in all your endeavors to strive for excellence. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson.